a new addition to the Cat House. It wants to triple the number of people they help. Here's Local 12's Brad Underwood.
Since the 70s, the goal has been to get people clean and keep them sober. The Center for Addiction Treatment now has more space and expanded services to continue helping patients post-program graduation.
Our mission statement is to save lives and rebuild families. That's not going to happen in 28 days. Now we get to work with people for a much longer period of time. We get to actually work to rebuild these families.
Across the courtyard from the inpatient building is the brand new Spalding Recovery and Family Care building. In the past, if a patient needed basic medical care, they'd have to leave treatment to go to the doctor. Not anymore.
Now with the primary care opening, if our residential patients have issues, they can just schedule an appointment and walk them over to see me.
The Deaconess Health Check has 6 exam rooms. It looks just like any other doctor's office.
A lot of our patients have had no routine health screening, mammograms, pap smears, that sort of stuff for decades because they've been out using.
In addition to better health care access, there are counseling rooms and opportunities for student learning.
We have 2 rooms that have the one-way mirror, so our clinicians can sit here and watch their counseling style of the intern in real time and give real feedback on how that went.
And as of this week, the one-stop shop in the fight against addiction is open to the public.
This is just the beginning of the story. There's a whole lifetime of work that has to be done.
Now, we're not talking just about drug addiction. Gambling addiction also prevalent in the area. We're told by Katie Shawl-Jones, she works here in the clinical services area, says she has a handful of patients, about 5, and while that may not sound like a lot, she said it is. And of all the addictions they work with people here in the West End, she says gambling has the highest suicide rate. So adding that new service along with all the rest of that, making this addition very welcomed and beneficial here in the West End. Reporting live tonight outside the Cat House, Brad Underwood, Local 12 News. Rob?
Brad, thanks very much.